So you might change your view of looking at the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra after this. Samsung has started working on the Galaxy S25 series and leaks have also started to come. At this point, we all know that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a design change and might come with a rounded corners like the Galaxy Note 7. But new leak says it is not just the corners that are getting rounded. The leak indicates that Samsung could introduce several design changes on the top-tier smartphone, with the latest suggesting that the device may offer a redesigned frame for a more comfortable in-hand feel. Reliable tipster Exynos recently claimed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a new frame design that's more rounded towards the back panel and straight on the display side. This new design will make the frame thinner than the one on the Galaxy S24 Ultra and even reduce the size of the bezels on the left and right side of the display. Previously, Exynos has claimed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be thinner than the all previous Galaxy S Ultra models and features rounded corners like the Galaxy Note 7. These changes, coupled with new frame design, could make the phone more comfortable to hold. Along with these design changes, leaks suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with a new 50MP 3x telephoto camera and a 50MP ultrawide lens. There have been also rumors about Samsung switching back to Qualcomm Snapdragon processor for the Galaxy S25 series in all regions. Yes, Samsung is planning to not use the Exynos 2500 in the S25 series. So Ming-Chi Kuo is saying that the Qualcomm is probably going to be the only supplier for the chip for the Samsung Galaxy S25. This is because the next Exynos chip, the Exynos 2500, is facing some challenges with the 3nm fabrication process, which means the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 might power all the Galaxy S25 models. Typically, we would be happy if Samsung stopped using Exynos, but in this situation, it's not so great. There is speculation that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could cost more than the previous models, possibly leading Samsung to raise prices on the Galaxy S25 lineup. So let me know your thoughts on this in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.